Ready, Arvin.
Shh, they're sleeping. Wake up, young lovers. We're in God's country. Welcome to the channel. I review and critique luxury properties. I tell you 3 things I like about it, 3 things I don't like about it, in very short videos so you can binge watch them right after each other. And in today's episode, we're going to review 13187 Chalon Road, 7-bedroom, 9-bathroom, 14,000 square foot, over an acre of flat lot in Brentwood, listed for $28,880,000. Now, before I tell you 3 things I like about this property, the content of this video is purely my personal opinion. It's for educational entertainment purposes, so if you have any questions, you can contact the listing agents over here. Okay, 3 things I like about this property. Number 3, a jungle oasis. It reminds me of the first time I moved to America and I saw the Hotel Mirage in Las Vegas. It's God's country. This is beautiful. It's so lush. It's so green. It's beautiful. It's really, really serene experience. Number 2 is I love all the gadgets in this property. This is like a man's house, right? You got the half court, you got the pickleball court, you got the movie theater, you got the putting green, gym, spa. You got the whole thing, and Rum Team just brings it. You know, he brings it all when he builds these houses. Every toy you can expect, it's there. Now, the number 1 thing I love about this property is the combination of open layout, wow factor when you walk in, and the scale of just the ceiling heights and the light feature on the top. And just, I believe this is Rum Team's best work so far. The design is actually really, really good at the highest caliber that he's ever tried. So I really, really like that. Now, 3 things I don't like about this property.
Arvin, before you get into that, can you tell me what ZipSmart has to say about this house?
You wish you didn't ask that.
Oh, no.
Because things are not good in Brentwood.
Oh, no.
Look, when you look at the ZipSmart dashboard, you can see both thumbs, yearly and monthly trends are negative. Wow. And you hit on monthly, it's all red. Main one being 87% more new listings this month than last month. That's really bad to happen in fall. And then when you look at the yearly trend, it's got 25% less demand than last year and 21% more supply. So demand is going down, supply is going up, everything else is red. So the market is not doing good. But what's even worse is the fact that Rum Team's got 3 properties on the market right now. You got Chalon, which is his best work, for $28 million. He's got Somera, which is, I have another video on it. And he also has another one in Bel Air. But my point is that beside these 3 that he has on the market, he has about 6 other properties that he's under construction. I'm telling you guys, if you want to get the best deals out of this downturn, you gotta go after developers. That's where you're gonna get the best deal. And it's so unique in this cycle because you normally get good deals on crappy homes, but you could get an amazing deal on a brand new construction. And if you want me to be your guide in finding that best deal, you can contact me right here. I would love to be a resource to you beside this channel and help guide you find that amazing property at the right time in the market for a huge discount that you don't have to do anything to. You can just move in. There's no renovations, there's nothing else, brand new construction. Okay, 3 things I don't like about this property. Number 3, I'm so over these moth green walls that he does. It's just so cheesy at this level. Now, having said that, this property perhaps would have been the most appropriate one to do so because it's so jungle themed, it's just so green and lush and everything. But again, you gotta be bespoke. I'm not digging it. You might get away with it on a $10 million home, but not at this price bracket and not in Brentwood. Number 2, Rum Team properties just starting to look like each other. And he's not Richard Neutra. Look, I'm gonna put a picture of him and Richard Neutra. Look, well, actually, they do kind of resemble. Okay, I'll leave that to you guys. It's supposed to be bespoke at this level. And it's just not architecturally significant that you would say, look, I bought a Rum Team Nosferatu, okay? Now, the number 1 thing I don't like about this property is that it's surrounded by these hills right next to it. Now, he's tried to mitigate some of that through huge skylight coming in, bringing lights in, but you're not gonna get that in all the other rooms, right? And it's just gonna be dark. For example, the swimming pool is covered by this hill on this side, another hill on this side, the property on this side. You're just not gonna get full hours of sun, and it's a shame because you're sitting on an amazing acre, over an acre. Anyways, if you haven't checked out ZipSmart.ai, check it out. It's something I'm extremely passionate about. I spent so much time on this, and it's finally coming to version 3.0, and I cannot wait to share it. You guys are gonna love it. And make sure to tell me in the comments if you want me to review a house, if you want to critique my videos. Tell me, as you know, I'm open to criticism.
How can we serve you better?
How can we serve you better? That's the goal, right? For you guys to have a source, a third party that you can go to and get a third party opinion about a house you're trying to buy or sell, because you know what your real estate agent's going to tell you. That's
bye.
Now, if you like this video, you will also like one of these videos. And if you haven't subscribed, I don't know what's wrong with you. You have commitment issues. God's sake. Okay? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.